Hello, Assalamu-alikum, welcome back to the channel. Today we come up with another exciting and yummy recipe. It's quite simple and can be cooked in minutes. Basically, it's a dinner recipe, so you can cook it for your guests tonight, or you can add it to the menu of some occasional dinner party. So don't waste the time and let's start with us. So for this certain recipe, we need boneless meat in the form of cubes. Firstly, we have added beef cubes, water and salt in a cooker. Let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes and then set aside. Now moving to next step, we have taken garlic cloves and mashed them with a knife. After that, chop it all. But you can also use grater to chop them. Now we are adding oil in a pot and fry the chopped garlic. Fry till it turns golden brown. Now it's time to make ginger paste with the help of mortar and pestle. So just take a small piece of ginger and mash it well to get a smooth paste. Then add it into the pot and let it fry too. Now we have taken tomatoes and start cutting into slices. You can cut it in the form of cubes and round slices. When cutting is over, just add them to the pot and cover it. Let's add salt, red pepper powder and turmeric powder. You can add it up to your taste. Keep stirring in between. Now take curd and whisk it well. Keep mixing to get a smooth liquid. Remember one thing, must turn off the flame while adding curd to the pot to avoid clots. Now turn on the stove and cook it on high flame. After this, we are adding boiled beef in the pot. Now time to add beef stock. Is the remaining water that left behind in the cooker in which we have boiled the beef. Time to mix well and let it cook on high flame till the water dries out.
Now it's time to dish out the recipe and serve to your guest. You can serve it with some chapati. Do garnish with ginger and fresh coriander leaves. You can serve it with juice or soft drink depending on your taste. But we are going to serve to Mr. Golu. He just loves eating. Look man, he's enjoying. If you like the video, do thumbs up and give your feedback in the comment section.
And do subscribe to the channel with the bell icon and get the notification of every future video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.